If you are a local business owner, real estate agent, mortgage broker, contractor, or service providers that are serving the local market, then you gotta watch this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here and welcome to my next video on my YouTube channel, where in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 proven strategies for you to use Facebook ads to dominate your local market and start generating leads for pennies on the dollars. But before we begin, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So with that being said, nowadays, it is more and more important for local service providers and local businesses to actually get online to start generating leads and sales. And in this video, I'll share with you quick 3 tips that you can actually start using to start seeing results with your campaigns. Strategy number 1 is simply to use Facebook lead ads. When it comes to Facebook lead ads, you get to go in market a lot quicker than creating a landing page and then finding a designer and also having a programmer to actually make everything work out for you. And in fact, when you use Facebook lead ads, it is proven to actually go in market with a lower cost than compared to traditional Facebook ads because you are entered into the auction very differently. Now, I do have a video where you can actually watch and learn more about Facebook lead ads and why you can actually start running ads without using a landing page. Now, on top of that, number 2 is to run what we call audience stacking for your targeting. So when it comes to targeting in your local area, you want to actually go after audience stacking. Now, what audience stacking essentially is that you want to actually group your targeting into your assets as closely as possible, but make the audience size as big as possible. Given the fact that if you only serve a local market, you will have restrictions or limitations on the population of people that you can go after. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, the bigger your audience, the lower your CPM is going to be. So in a nutshell, what you wanted to do is to actually stack the audience on top of each other. So let's say that if you are a real estate agent looking to get buyers leads or sellers leads, what you then wanted to do is not just go after one targeting about simply people into buying homes. You want to actually stack everything that is related to simply real estate. Maybe you can go after redfin.com. You can go after simply MLS. You can go after real estate. Everything that is related to the category of real estate and buying a home, you want to actually put them all together into one asset. By doing so, once again, you are making the audience size bigger and allowing Facebook to actually serve to more people and get you the lowest cost per lead possible that you can actually turn them into customers. Now, at the same time, if you are in an area that is pretty small in population size, you can also use something called blanket targeting. What blanket targeting is essentially you are running no targeting on your asset and you are specifically going after the specific age and gender, whatever your product is really entitled to. So let's say that if you own a laser skincare removal clinic, guess what? Just go after women that are probably 18 plus and really just go after the demographic and without having any targeting. Now, strategy number 3, it's very important that you use this in conjunction to strategy number 2, which we call this the call out ad. In your ad, you want to actually call out your ideal customers. And how you do so is very simple. Let's say, once again, we're going to use real estate as an example. You can actually start with your ad saying, looking to buy your next dream home in your location? Question mark. When you do that, you are literally asking and broadcasting that question through Facebook ads within your local area to actually see who is going to say yes. Because the yes is the first micro commitment that you are going to actually get from a stranger to becoming your lead that you can actually turn into your customers. So if an audience is going through the newsfeed, saw your ad saying looking to buy a home, question mark, and they say yes, chances are that they're going to engage with your ad is going to be far more greater than those that are not giving a yes right to your ad. Now, at the same time, you can also call out the people in your local area. For example, you can actually say Vancouver, exclamation mark, or Surrey, exclamation mark, and you're basically calling out the local area and people living in the local area then to turn them and get them interested into whatever product or services that you have. By using call out ads, our whole goal, once again, is to get the first yes from a complete stranger to engage with your ad and sell them within the ad to become a lead. Now, again, you don't want to actually sell them your service or your product yet. You want to get them interested into what you have to offer and become your lead first. Then you simply sell them on a phone call or through your follow-up series. So in a nutshell, you can actually combine all three of these strategies together. Number one, use Facebook lead ads. Number two, use audience stacking to actually make your audience size as big as possible within your local area. And number three, use call out ads to actually call out the people that you want as your ideal customer. And by doing so, you will actually get a much better result and really dominate your local area using these three proven strategies. Now, at the same time, we also have an entire community that is designed for coaches, consultants, local businesses, service providers to actually show you step by step and to help you how to generate leads through Facebook for pennies on the dollars while nurturing them with our automation. You can actually get all the details right in the video description. It is 100% free, and once you actually join our group, you will also have access to our entire free course where it is a walkthrough to show you how you can start generating leads for pennies on the dollars. And in fact, this is the exact strategies that we are selling our clients at $6,000 a year in contract on simply helping them generate leads. So go ahead, check out the video description, join our community, dive into the training, and start using this innovative strategy to start generating leads for your business. Now, as I said, it's that simple. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.